Today we are making the best healthy and easy pumpkin spice cashew milk. First, we're going to start by taking 1 cup of organic cashews and soaking in water for 15 minutes. Then we're going to drain those cashews. Then we're going to add those cashews to the blender. We're going to add 4 cups of water. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice and add it to the blender. And then we're going to blend the cashews and the pumpkin spice powder for 1 minute. You're going to take your mixture and you're going to store it in an airtight glass jar for up to 5 days in the fridge. And then you can use the remainder of it and put it into an ice tray and have it for ice cubes later in your coffee or smoothies. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Take care. See you guys later. Bye-bye.